Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix no workout alerts on Apple Watch iOS 26, running announcements and haptics. On Watch OS 26, Apple altered how workout voice feedback is handled. Voice announcement and advanced pace split cues now rely heavily on network processing rather than working entirely offline on the device. If you are experiencing missing workout running announcement or haptics, use this step-by-step checklist to resolve the issue. Fix 1. Check Watch OS 26 offline restriction. If you own a GPS only non-cellular Apple Watch and go running without your phone, Watch OS 26 will default strictly to visual cues and simple ding sounds rather than speaking your pace or splits. The phone fix. Bring your iPhone with you on the run. Even if the iPhone is in airplane mode, keeping it in your pocket or running belt allows the watch to use the phone for processing voice alerts. Next is the third party fix. If you absolutely refuse to run with your phone, switch your tracking app. Third party options like the Work Outdoors app continue to read running notifications natively on the watch without an active internet or phone connection. Fix 2. Verify your workout settings. Open the Settings app directly on your Apple Watch and scroll down and tap Workout. Now ensure the toggle switch for voice feedback or workout buddy is enabled green. Tip: if it is already on, toggle it off, wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on to force restart the background process. Fix 3. Check Siri and audio volume. Head to Settings, then go to Siri, then Siri responses on your watch. Now verify that spoken responses are set to always on and ensure the voice volume speaker slider is turned up and not turned all the way down. Fix 4. Troubleshoot lost haptics. Open the control center by pressing the side button. Make sure silent mode, the bell icon, and focus modes are disabled, as some custom focus filters silently block active workout vibration. Navigate to Settings, then go to Sounds and Haptics on your watch. Scroll to Haptics and switch the alert style from default to prominent. This delivers a significantly stronger physical tap at your split intervals. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.